it would be a commercial one. And we'll go see like how the React framework, our agentic framework will plays a key role in our application. So this is the project. So CareChoice AI, the same thing, I check in into the GitHub and it will be accessible for the public. And here we have two folders. One is a front end and one is the back end one. And in the backend one, we were writing all the required services for this agentic flow. So this here the React agent. So in the React agent, it's a structured JSON reasoning with Gemini keys. So this is a Gemini we were using, and with this URL we are doing, and Gemini reasoning we were doing, and we were instructing like just act as an agent. So it's the acting as an agent and analyze the user prompt and his profile. Based on that one, select the correct and accurate a plan suitable for the provided criteria. So here we'll see like these are all the enforce the JSON output from the Gemini, and here we were going for the reasons of that one and passing the Gemini responsible response also. Okay. And the one like here the React loop, so it will be determines first what will be the eligible age for the users one. So check eligibility here, check eligibility here we are written check eligibility. If my age is greater than 65, it's Medicare, less than 40, Medicaid, otherwise it belongs to a commercial. So we'll get the some initial eligibility from this one, and upon that filtered one, we will return the all filtered plan and black explanation not available or found any match if we are not getting any results from the details from the check eligibility we were doing and fetch the filter based on the calculated age. So upon that, if we are not filtering upon that, we are having the a prompt. So call Gemini to perform the agentic evaluation. So here we are going for a Gemini reasoning, and finally we will get the agent verdict. So the agent verdict will be a very clear which plan is to be suitable for the user based on his criteria, provided criteria. Now we'll go through the front end one. So in the front end, here are the folders for the front end. We are having like some JS as well as the index HTML. Okay, so here in the one index one, will once we have some submission criteria, once the user is selected and going for the get the recommendations for that one. So for the particular healthcare one, you will just go to the get recommendation. The moment it will show up like all top selected recommendation, it will show. So we'll cover a more detail in the demo one. Okay, and backend one is the backend integration we were doing in the main one along with the keys. So this front end and back end. So what where we were doing this integration over here in the main.py. So first we were taking the environment details. This environment details we were setting the Gemini keys followed by some of the CNS keys also to get the live and approximate data. So here we can see the loading the details, and based on the mount points, these are the two APIs we were exposing to the users. These two are the APIs we are exposing to the user. Okay. And uh, we'll go for the end-to-end demo. Let me run the application. So first go to the backend folder and then select the your UV for the main.app and reload it. So the moment you will run this application, it will show us like whether the system is up and running. Right now we can see unicorn con is running at HTTP 127.0.0.1.88000. Okay. So let me open the one in the browser. So CareChoice one. So this is our page, and here we have options to provide the like user, customer age, income, and health condition. So let me key in the one like is of 35 years of age and is getting a income of $60,000, and his health condition is of like having some cancer stage 1. Now we are going with the preferred one. These three options are there, but he is having a confusion to choose which one which is suitable for his health condition. So Kaiser Permanente is going. So then go for a get recommendation. So the moment we given these details, the call the based on the age income criteria, the call will goes to hit with the Gemini, and the agent will decide which uh, plan is suitable for him. Here we have a very clear description of this one, and it will justify why we were going for the other plan apart from the preferred one. Tax details also it will provide to us. So here the top selection recommendation, so is a Anthem Blue Cross commercial is will be a best suitable for the current is health condition based on the available plans. So is the Anthem Blue Cross. So here these are all details it will provide. So within a few steps, we can easily knows like based on his health condition and his financial status, and based on his age, he will get the details. So we'll do one more query on this one. So go for the is of like now 65 age and is not having a very low income, like is getting only $10,000, and is having some issues at the, so is having the asthma, okay, and is preferring to Medicare. So now see for get recommendations for this also. Okay. Now we can see for the medical also is the user is 65 years old with a low income and as asthma preferred is Medicare only. So is only the plan Kaiser Payment Medicare Advantage is also available. Here the strong diabetic care is covered under the Kaiser Permanente Medicare Advantage. So in this way, the smart healthcare plan agent will be useful to the user. So then I was just going to conclude on this one. This Care Choice AI is a very transparent, personalized, and production ready one. So the future roadmap like real CMS, a covered CA and ABA integration, extending provider networks. So CareChoice and AI empower Californians to make confident healthcare choices. Okay. Thank you. Thank you for this.